Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you or explain to you how you can sell on Amazon using Alibaba. Now, there is no real integrations needed, right? You don't need to connect Amazon to AliExpress or whatever. What people do is they just buy in bulk, whatever it is they want to buy on AliExpress or Alibaba. For example, you can sell this watch band from Xiaomi Mi Band 76. It is roughly, this is practically around like 50 cents US, right? So what people do is they're going to, for example, let's click on this product page here. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna copy everything here, for the most part, right? And then they're going to buy this in bulk. So if this is 50 cents or roughly around 50 cents, so maybe let's say $1, right? Maybe $1 with shipping and everything and taxes, whatnot, right? All they need to do is go to their Amazon account, set up a product page to sell the same exact product, maybe a different type of, like, I guess, branding. Same product, different branding, and they can sell this for like, hey, maybe $2, right? It's pretty cheap, $2, maybe even $3. So that said, you can go 200, 300x on your profits. It's that easy. Again, there is no integrations. You don't need to connect anything. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.